deep in my feelings. No, say you really like me. You control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go pop.
Ladies, can you back it up? Can you back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this setup is up, but welcome to my channel. Sweetscolour here. I'm gonna attempt to dye some hair orange. I'm gonna show you the color that I've been going for, but I got a copper hair dye. Y'all, I don't dye hair, I don't do hair, but I got my lovely assistant over here eating noodles in the back. So if you hear somebody smacking, that's Nun. Deja Nun has. But I'm gonna show you a picture of what I was thinking. This is my studio room, and I didn't set it up all cute. This is like my, don't worry about it. But yeah, so this is the color I'm going for right here, like this. So hopefully it comes out. This was called Pumpkin Patch, and they had this at the beauty supply store. However, they didn't have enough, so I didn't get it. And I got the color copper, whatever this is. It tells, let me read the instructions, because I don't do this, okay? So the hair I'm going to be dyeing today, guys. Let me show you guys my hair. And this is a trash bag. So I got some hair in the inches 24, 24, 22 with a 20-inch closure, guys. So we're going to make this a wig for one day. Maybe None when she gets bored might make it for me, who knows. But, you know, I don't know. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing, so don't judge me. And she low-key a hairstylist, but she's not a hairstylist, so don't come for us in our technique, okay? I'm about to fuck this up already. Let's take it out, right? What? What you forgot? The brushes. Oh, to like put it on there? We gonna do this, use our hand? We can use our hand?
I thought they were in the bag. Why would I have everything but not the brushes?
You didn't think you was gonna dye no hair for real?
I did. They probably in my
Dang, I just made this tank for you. How I did that? Okay.
We have to do it with the comb.
Okay. How you unravel this the right way? It's not gonna get tangly.
With two. Like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
Little spit.
I told you I stole them from the hospital.
Oh Lord. Oh damn hospital.
Well, I didn't really steal them. The insurance covered them. If you think about it. If you think about it, the insurance paid for them shits. So the applicator, it got like a little piece right here, so you just turn that upside down and poke it, you know, and they'll make a hole for you, and there you go. They got an actual tool that you put on the end of your thing, and it'll squeeze all the little shit out for you, all the little product out for you. But I do it the ghetto way and just fold it
like
how you do
toothpaste.
toothpaste. Y'all know how we do that toothpaste.
So I'm curious to see if this junk gonna turn this dark hair. So you know, if you're looking for a easy process, you don't gonna do the extra shit, then maybe this might work out. So we're doing this together. I want to try that watercolor thing when the hair's already blonde though.
Yeah. I saw that. You know, I got like 3 blonde wigs at home that I just want to play with, so I might try it on one of those.
You just stick it in there and it'll work. Oh,
a little fart. You got a queef.
Alright.
Yeah. A bit on me playing, ain't no product left in there. Okay. So. How many?
It said 2.4 fluid ounces.
We don't know what that is.
Right.
This is 32 fluid ounces. So, I'm going to just do it by the capful. Let's do 4.
We don't know what we doing. Oh shit.
You ain't getting none of it in the cap?
No.
Lord. Okay.
Alright.
That was 4.
That look like a lot. This shit gonna be bright as hell.
It's not. Show them it's not.
Home, cause we don't got no tools, and we gonna mix it together.
I want them all to know that you kind of hit me up when I was on my way here, like, bitch, we finna dye some hair.
Right.
Like, if we knew we was gonna be doing this, we would have had the whole setup set up. You know?
Right. So this orange.
We need it like, this is like medium thick. You know what I mean? It's like pudding. It's like thick. You right? You feel me? You could get it a little bit watery, but let's not.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's this long.
I wanted to get on with this. They're gonna be like, y'all shit finna come out.
Ugly as fuck.
Oh my god, what are they doing? Whoever the hairstylist is over here cringing.
This is very beginners, okay? You don't have to be no fancy hairstylist with all this fancy ass shit. You don't have to. No. You got you some gloves. Throw that shit on your gloves. Put it on your hands, okay? Put it on your comb.
How about I put on both gloves?
I told you to start from the bottom, Tia.
I didn't think it mattered. Okay, I'm sorry.
You gonna laugh.
You're gonna be like, what
Tia,
the
you finna
fuck?
get so much fucked up feedback from this video. They gonna be like, your friend is not a hairstylist and she told you to dye your hair like that, bitch.
Yeah, if it come out 5, we just gotta see for the results.
No, it's gonna come out 5.
They be like, dang, you was scared. I'm like, yeah, I bet y'all was. Alright, so y'all, this is the first color we ended up getting. It did not come out. I'm gonna put the light on. It did not come out how we wanted, or how I wanted it. It's cute still, like it could go, but I wanted it orangey. That's the color I was going for, and it kind of came out reddish. But like in the sun, I feel like if the sun is beaming, it's gonna look orangey. But like no, I wanted it a little, not even a little, a lot brighter than this. But the color is still cute. Like this is still a bomb ass color. But yeah, this is what it's hitting for right now. We dyed all the bundles. This is the closure. So we're about to put some bleach on it and see if it levels up. Level up. Level up, level up, level up.
Though the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And when you get the top and I see that you've been learning. And when I took the stop, you still keep burning. And when you pop off, when your ex see this. Let's go. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. Oh, hey, hey. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Do you love me? Are you riding? Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Do you love me? Are you riding? Kiki, do you love? Are you ride? Do you love me? Kiki, do you love? Are you ride? Do you love me? Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Do you love me? Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Do you love me? Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. And I'm down for you always. Are you riding? 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 Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Are you riding? Oh, hey, hey. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never leave beside me. Cause I want you.
So guys, after all that, this is how the wig came out. It's not styled or nothing, but the hair bleached really well. And when I do wear this, it's gonna be bomb. I put a couple of curls in it, but I got lazy, so I really didn't finish it yet. But basically, this is how it came out. So in another video, you'll see me actually wearing the hair, but the hair did take well, you guys. But yeah, this is it. It looks crazy right now. Wait until I put this on. Wait till I pop out in this one, guys. And it's long as hell. It's like, yes, bitch, yes. It looks a little frizzy right now too because I've been throwing it around, honestly. But I finally am here to show you guys what the finished product looked like just for me getting it made into a wig and the color. So this is how it came out, guys. Thank you guys for tuning into another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.